Hey everyone, today we're diving into some pretty cool new tech that's looking to, well, literally break down the walls of the internet. We're talking about something that could totally change how social networks get built and, more importantly, how they talk to everything else in our digital lives. So let's get right into it.
You know that feeling, right? You're kind of trapped inside a social media app. All your friends, your pictures, your data, it's all stuck in one place and it just refuses to play nice with anything else. That's the core problem right there. This whole idea of the walled garden. But why is it like this in the first place? And does it really have to be?
So this really shows the two paths forward for the social web. On the one hand, you've got the way things are now. All our data is locked up in these separate silos, development moves at a snail's pace, and the platform has all the control. But on the other side, there's this new vision, an open ecosystem where everything just works together, innovation can happen really fast, and you, the user, are actually in control of your own data. That's the future Linkspreed is trying to build.
Okay, so to really get why the solution is so cool, we first need to kind of walk through the maze that we're all stuck in right now. Let's really dig into the specific problems that come with being trapped inside these digital walls.
I mean, the frustration with these walled gardens is something we all feel. Your data, it's locked in tight. Developers are just wasting so much time reinventing the wheel, building the same like buttons, comment sections, and friend systems over and over for every new app. And if you're a business, forget about it. Trying to connect your social data to a sales tool like a CRM is a total nightmare. The bottom line is, real innovation gets choked out because the platform owner controls everything.
So how do we get out of this maze? Well, the idea here is a bridge to what its creators are calling Web4, a whole new vision for the internet, and it's all powered by the Linkspreed API.
And honestly, that is the absolute simplest, best way to think about it. The API is basically a universal adapter, a connector. It's the bridge that finally lets a social network talk to the rest of the internet and do it securely and super efficiently.
Now, this bridge isn't just floating in thin air. It's built on a new foundation called Web4 Studio. It's a concept that really just mashes together three huge ideas. Decentralization, which means no single company gets total control, high-speed connectivity, so everything feels instant, and data sovereignty, which is a fancy way of saying you finally get to be in charge of your own info.
All right, so we've covered the what and the why. Now it's time to get our hands dirty and look at the how. Let's pop the hood and see what's actually inside this developer toolkit that makes it so powerful.
So at the very heart of this API, there's really just a single number you need to know, 180 plus. And this number is the real key to understanding its power. So what does it even mean?
Well, it stands for over 180 endpoints. And the best way to picture these is as pre-built Lego blocks. Seriously, instead of spending weeks building a like button from scratch, you just grab the like Lego block. Need profile management? Yep, there's a block for that. Secure logins, photo processing, real-time data streaming, it's all there, just ready to be snapped into place. This is what makes that rapid innovation we talked about actually possible.
But it's not just about the individual Legos. There are three core features that are just so important. First, it's Web4 native, so it's born ready for next-gen speed and security. Second, it's scalable, so it can handle 10 users or 10 million. But the real secret sauce, the thing that changes everything, is bidirectional data flow. This lets you seamlessly push data into the network and pull data right back out again. That capability is a total, absolute game changer.
Okay, so let's move beyond the tech specs and look at the bigger picture. Why is breaking down these walls such a massive strategic advantage for pretty much everyone involved?
Well, here are the four big ones. Interoperability means you can finally connect your social community to your sales tools or your company website. Rapid development means you can get your big idea to market in a tiny fraction of the time. Data sovereignty finally gives users the freedom and control they've been asking for. And for businesses, man, it opens up brand new, way more advanced ways to build revenue.
I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great in theory, but what does it actually look like? What could you really build with this stuff? Let's check out a few real-world examples that'll make this crystal clear.
Okay, so for the first one, picture a private social network just for your company. With this API, when a new person gets hired and added to the HR system, boom, their social profile is automatically created and they're put in all the right groups. Zero manual setup. It just works. Or how about a media company? They could use the API to see what's trending in their online community in real time and then automatically display those hot topics on a live news ticker on their homepage. That creates this amazing, dynamic feedback loop with their audience.
Now this one is where it gets really futuristic and cool.
Imagine your fitness tracker automatically pushing your workout data to a special health feed on a social network. This could power automated fitness challenges, create whole communities around shared health goals, seamlessly connecting your physical life with your digital one.
And this brilliantly shows off that bidirectional data flow we were talking about. So check this out. Someone mentions a product in a post. The API instantly goes out and pulls the live price from a store like Shopify. That's data coming in. Then a user clicks a social buy button right there in the post. The API then pushes that completed order back out to Shopify's system. It's frictionless e-commerce right inside the social feed. Amazing.
So when you put it all together, what are we really looking at? It's not just about one tool or one feature. This quote from the creators really sums it up perfectly. The whole point is to build the foundation for a completely new kind of social internet, one that's more open, more integrated, and just way more powerful for all of us.
And that's where I want to leave you today. The walls are starting to come down. So, if you could connect literally anything to a social network, your car, your smart home, your research, your art, what would you build? The possibilities, well, they're just starting to open up.